Unlocking knowledge, learn, earn, and grow with fun. Welcome to a world where learning isn't just fun, but rewarding too. Here, every fact you learn turns into a shiny coin. Dive into a sea of knowledge, swimming through the waves of geography, science, history, and more. Discover facts that will surprise, intrigue, and educate. With every fact you learn, you earn. Answer questions correctly and watch as your piggy bank fills with coins. The more you learn, the more you earn. The process is simple. All you have to do is keep 20 coins of any value and a piggy bank ready with you. As the video progresses, the questions will start rolling out one by one. For every correct answer you give, you can reward yourself by adding 1 coin for 1 correct answer to your piggy bank. By this way you could save up to 20 coins per day, which means you could earn up to 600 coins per month or 7,300 coins a year. Whether you're just starting your learning journey or a seasoned explorer, this is a place for everyone. Grow your mind, grow your coin collection. Join us now, embark on this exciting journey of knowledge. Turn learning into a rewarding adventure. Welcome to the future of learning.